Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Zricks.com and today I'm going to showcase you Mapsko Mount Ville project. Now this beautifully designed project is located in Gurgaon sector 79 and talking about the location, it is well connected to SPR, NH8 and Dwarka Expressway. Now once you enter, you will see that there are two entrances. One is for the residents and the other one is for your guests, so that there is no confusion, and this way the residents of the society will not have any problem or hindrance while they enter the society. Now once you enter the society, you will see that there has been a beautifully designed fountain that gives you a majestic entrance and a grand welcome into the society. So this is the basement parking. So we have basement parking so that there are no cars parked on the ground floor. This way your children and even you are safe from playing or walking around, and it gives you a more space to jog and enjoy your time. Outside Tower A, we have the lawn tennis court, but it is big enough to enjoy and have a great time. Then just opposite to the tennis ground, we have the fruit garden. Now this is a very unique and important part of this project, since a lot of projects do not have fruit gardens. This comes with a fruit garden. So it's very amazing. There are different types of trees that provide you different fruits in the future. So this is the cricket net practice pitch. This is also provided in this project. So this gives an ample amount of space for children to play cricket and have an amazing time. Another amenity that Mapsko provide you is a squash court and a banquet hall. Now in your banquet hall, it is huge enough to have your gatherings. You can call your friends and family and have big functions here. You can have your engagements as well as weddings. So it is big enough. Moving on, now I will take you towards another area where there is herbal plantation. Now if you will look around, there are so many herbal plants all over the society. So this is one of the societies in Gurgaon that has most of the plantation, and I'm not just talking about the ground, it has most of the trees that have been planted. This gives you a fresh and a beautiful feeling. It gives you fresh air to breathe when you're surrounded by different kind of plants and grounds. I'm standing outside Mapsko Mount Ville Tower lobby, and before I take you inside, I want to tell you that there are 8 towers and all the 8 towers have different heights from each other, starting from 17th to 30th floor. So let's begin and I will take you inside. Once you enter the lobby, on the right hand side you will see the concierge service, and on the other hand you have the waiting area or the sitting area for your guests. It's a double heighted lobby, so this gives you a luxury feel. Going forward, I will take you towards the elevator area. With the elevator area, we also have the fire extinguisher area for your safety. And then we have 2 passenger lifts and 1 service lift. Then moving forward, once you get down from the elevator area connected towards the jogging area. So this way the residentials do not have to go all around the society and then go towards the jogging area. It directly connects you towards the jogging area, and here you can start your jogging. So right now I'm standing in the lobby of Mapsko Mount Ville. In this lobby we have 2 passenger lifts and 1 service lift for your services. Then we have 2 exits. One is emergency exit and other one is for passengers. We have 4 apartments on each floor. I also want to mention that the lifts are provided by the Kone brand. Then comes our firefighting system. We have the firefighting system for your safety, because that's the most important thing that we believe in. Then we have the sprinklers and the smoke detectors as well. Now let me showcase you the sample flat, which is a 3 BHK plus servant quarter. The configuration of this flat is 1815 square feet. The domestic help will have their separate entrance. For the residents, we have a separate entrance. The door comes with a digital lock, so let's begin. Once you enter the apartment, you will see a big enough foyer space, because we believe in the safety and privacy of the residents. Now comes the living area along with the dining area. Apologies for the incomplete sample apartment, but we wanted to show you the sample apartment before it is actually completed, so that you can have your eye on it, so that if you want to purchase it, you will be the first few customers. Now with the living and the dining area comes our kitchen. It's a modular kitchen which has a hob and a chimney and have amazingly designed L-shaped kitchen. Now the kitchen is attached with the utility balcony. The utility balcony now leads you towards the servant quarter, which also has a different entrance, so that the domestic help will come from a different entrance and then can directly enter towards the kitchen. Now I will first showcase you the guest room, which can be converted into a kids room as well. The wooden flooring and the wardrobe comes with the possession. The wooden flooring is provided by Action Tessa and the wardrobe is provided by Spacewood and Daikin AC. The guest room comes with an attached washroom and an attached balcony. Now the fittings have been provided by Kohler. It comes with a toilet seat, the shower area and vanity. Now we'll go towards the balcony that has been attached to this room. Now this is a connecting balcony that also connects you towards the living room. It gives you a beautiful view of the entire society and it also showcases you the beautiful Aravalli Hills. The living room also comes with a balcony. Like I said before, it is connected with the guest room, giving you the same view of Aravalli Hills and the project itself. Moving towards the another room. All the rooms come with wooden flooring along with the wardrobe and the Daikin AC. Now, talking about the AC. ACs have been provided in all the rooms along with the living room. There are 2 ACs in the living room since it's a bigger area. Now this room also comes with a huge window that provides you natural lighting, which ultimately gives you a great ambience. Now there is an attached washroom. This attached washroom comes with a toilet seat, a shower area and the vanity provided by the Kohler brand. This one is the master bedroom. The master bedroom comes with a sitting arrangement separate, which can be converted into a workspace as well. Even this room comes with wooden flooring and a big enough space to arrange your bed and side tables. The master bedroom has its own separate balcony. Even from the master bedroom, you get to see the beautiful Aravalli Hills and the view of the project. So here you can also arrange your sitting arrangements, have your morning tea and coffee. Then comes the attached washroom. Again, the fittings have been provided by Kohler brand with shower area, toilet seat and the vanity. So the apartment comes with the smoke detectors and sprinklers. Now that your domestic help will have their own separate entrance from the house. This is the servant quarter. It's still in construction. It's incomplete, so apologies for that. It comes with a toilet seat and the vanity, and then comes the sleeping space for them, and which connects you towards the utility balcony, which then further connects you towards the kitchen. So let's begin with the outdoor pool area. Now this beautifully designed outdoor pool area has these waterfalls that are very unique and are not offered by every single project. This swimming pool is just opposite to the clubhouse. So from the clubhouse, we get this beautiful view of the swimming pool, and also from the residence area. Well, we have the deck area on this side and on the other side too. So we have 2 decks. One of them does not have a shade and the other one comes with the shade that protects you from the sun. On the other hand, we have the kids area where we have the kids play area and the kids swimming pool. So let me take you there. So this is the kids swimming pool area, which comes with the splash pool. And the parents can sit here and watch them play or enjoy in the pool. So now we will take you towards the outdoor playing area. So this is the outdoor kids area. The carpet is beautifully and colorfully designed, and it is designed in such a way that if your kids are playing and if they fall for any chance, they will not end up hurting themselves because this is a kids friendly carpet. So this way it is very safe for the children. So this outdoor area has a lot of activities where your kids can flex. So this is the multi-purpose court. This can be utilized as the entertainment area or can be also utilized as an amphitheater, depending how the residents wants to utilize it and depending on the occasion. So here your children can probably perform or can have award ceremonies, and then you can also create an amphitheater and enjoy the movies. This area can also be utilized as a football court. So this way this is a multi-purpose area and can be utilized in many ways. This also connects you towards the badminton court, and this is an amazingly and beautifully designed badminton court where your children can enjoy and have a great time. Now, once you end up playing your badminton, maybe you want to skate. So we have the skating ring as well. Here your children can skate and enjoy their time. Look at these lush green surroundings. It's beautifully designed and it is all about green area and the ecosystem. Beautifully made path for you to walk around the green area. There are many different type of trees and different type of fruit trees, or I would say flower trees and herbs. So this is the walking track which comes with the sitting area or sitting arrangements. If you look closely and look around, you will see that this complete project is surrounded by lush greens, different type of trees and plants. So it's very green and it supports ecosystem. On the other hand, we have the lawn area. On this lawn, you can host your parties and events, and it completely depends how you want to utilize it. Maybe you want to call your friends and family and have a small gathering and just enjoy your time. Moving forward from the lawn and the sitting area, you will see the open gym, which is the new trend in Delhi in Gurgaon. So it has become the most important part these days in the society. In this open gym, you will find all the basic equipment that are required for your healthy living. I'm standing along the boundary line, and even if you see around, even this area is surrounded by all the greens. There are many trees and most of them are fruit trees. Along with that, this pathway will lead you towards the basketball court. So on our left hand side, we have the basketball court, but on the other side, we have the herbal plantation. So first, I will showcase you the basketball court. This beautifully designed half basketball court is good enough for you and for your children to practice and have a great enjoyable time. Now let's go towards the herbal plantation area. Herbal plantation is not provided in most of the societies. So this society provides you that, which is very unique. And I guess it is very important also, knowing that there's a lot of pollution. So it is very important to plant trees and have a variety of them. If you will look around, this society is completely surrounded by lush green areas. Now this is another lawn area. It's smaller one than the other one. Here you can have your small gatherings, and also from all the apartments in these tall buildings, you will have this beautiful view of greens, which gives you a really pleasant view and a pleasant feeling. So I'm right now outside the clubhouse. This clubhouse has a lot to offer. First, we'll begin with the outside sitting arrangement, which gives you a beautiful view of the swimming pool. So here you can sit and relax while you enjoy the view. Once you enter the clubhouse, you will have on the one side, you will have your lounge or the sitting area, or I would say the cafeteria area. And on the other hand, there's just sitting area where you can relax. So let's begin with the lounge or the cafeteria area. So this is the cafeteria area. Now here you can enjoy the view of the swimming pool again, and it also connects you towards the gym. In this amazing and huge clubhouse, we have a gymnasium, we have yoga room, we have a movie theater for you, we have sauna, spa and saloon, we have restaurants, cafes, and we also have indoor games, we have kids area too, and we have a yoga room as well. So there is everything that is needed in an amazing clubhouse to enjoy a beautiful and wonderful time with your family and friends. Now this was the complete tour of Mapsko Mount Ville. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact us on the below mentioned number and we will gladly help you. Thank you so much. If you also want to showcase your property on Zricks.com, please contact us on the below mentioned number and we will help you out. Thank you so much.